In the event that you're searching for Cardano cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Cardano will really go later on in a sort of enormous manner, we will examine the previous costs of Cardano and will fundamentally figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly remember that you really want to basically take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this truly is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful essentially is totally unthinkable. In any case, we will make an honest effort, which explicitly is genuinely huge. How about we start, which is very critical, Cardano past value examination. As per practically the most recent information accumulated, the very current cost of Cardano is 37 cents and ADA is at present position number 7 in the kind of whole crypto biological system in an unobtrusive manner. The core supply of Cardano is 34,719,155,027 with a market cap of $12,939,578,097 or so they thought. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Cardano's cost has shown a genuinely decent increment of 9.59% in the very most recent 24 hours. From kind of most recent 7 days, the ADA was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.74%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA diminished by 5.814%. Killing an incredible normal amount of 2 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a decent purchase and open door for pretty fast venture. The 90 days cost change is around 17.49%, and the cost flowed from a really least typical cost of 31 cents to greatest normal cost of 32 cents in the very beyond 90 days. Or so they thought. In truly most recent 4 months, Cardano has shown a developing pattern, or so they thought. In this manner, we feel that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano especially is expanded from 4 months in a truly significant manner. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost. The coin by and large is up by 16.34%, with the greatest by and large normal cost of the coin for the most part was around 37 cents and the sort of least typical value of was around 34 cents in beyond 4 months, which is genuinely critical. We foresee future Cardano cost expectations. A dia conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helps specialized examination on the in every practical sense past value information of Cardano amazingly. We give our all to generally gather greatest verifiable information for the ADA coin, which really incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume, and barely any more in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming you explicitly are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of 45 cents in 2023. The Cardano cost could arrive at a very most extreme worth of 51 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 46 cents all through 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. Cardano cost is gauged to arrive at a particularly the most minimal pretty conceivable degree of 66 cents in 2024. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 79 cents with the typical gauge cost of 68 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In an unobtrusive manner, ADA value figure for 2025 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of Cardano basically is supposed to reach at an extremely least value worth of 94 cents. The ADA cost can arrive at a really greatest value worth of $1.13 with the typical worth of 98 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. The cost of Cardano basically is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $1.40 in 2026, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Cardano cost can arrive at a very greatest degree of $1.66 with the sort of typical cost of $1.43 all through 2026. Cardano Value Expectation 2027 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2027, the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2.03. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.36 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.08. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Cardano cost is estimate to arrive at a very the least conceivable degree of $2.95 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $3.49 with the typical figure cost of $3.06, which is very huge. Cardano value expectation 2029 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA. In 2029, the cost of Cardano truly is estimated to be at around an exceptionally least worth of $4.29. The Cardano value worth can truly arrive at a really limit of $5.12 with the typical exchanging worth of $4.44 in USD, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano value figure 2030 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA. In 2030, the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $6.29, which is genuinely huge. The ADA cost can fundamentally arrive at a most extreme degree of $7.53 with the typical exchanging cost of $6.52. Cardano value expectation 2031. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to fundamentally reach at least worth of $9.21 in 2031. The Cardano cost could basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $10.80 with the typical exchanging cost of $9.47 all through 2031. Cardano value expectation 2032. The cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at least degree of $13.01 in 2032. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $15.87 with the typical cost of $13.49 all through 2032. How much will Cardano in a real sense be worth in 5 years in a significant manner? In 5 years, Cardano will by and large have a base cost of $2.36 and an exceptionally most extreme cost of $2.03 per ADA. Since Cardano is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth vacillates radically. What will be the ADA most noteworthy figure cost for 2023, which by and large is very critical? The ADA cost is supposed to arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme degree of 51 cents toward the finish of 2023. What is the Cardano cost today, which generally is genuinely critical? Today Cardano is exchanging at 37 cents with the market cap of $12,939,578,097. Is Cardano a wise venture? Cardano's worth truly is supposed to sort of keep on extending, as lack will in general empower cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any speculation, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Only sort of put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and leave the greatest examination pretty conceivable in a genuinely significant manner. What sort of is the fate of Cardano amazingly? The eventual fate of Cardano is profoundly reliant upon the very generally execution of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into ADA, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system, which generally is genuinely huge. This sort of speculation explicitly isn't appropriate for those with a deviated risk profile amazingly. In any case, it fundamentally is as yet a fantastic speculation for the people who basically have an especially high capacity to bear risk and a really strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, ADA likewise especially offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing environment, which is genuinely critical. How in every way that really matters.